Hi, today I'm for the Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first you should open the settings and then scroll to the password to the privacy section. Switch permissions to the privacy and click to private save. Now auto hide apps. Just to hide now these applications, tap on the switcher near the application. But first we should set a privacy password. So click to the settings, or you could use the 6-digit password or to use the different password type. For example, I'll use the pattern. Just twice confirm your privacy password. Now you should get the application to the security question. Tap to OK in the right upper corner. Now we should set the access code just to activate to open the hidden applications on the dial pad. So click to the settings. Now just enter the hash key. For example, in my case that will from 1 to 4. Hash key tap on the right upper corner, and now by entering your access code on your dial pad you will access your hidden apps. So just tap to OK. Now just let's hide, for example, these 5 applications. Just to hide them, we could go to the phone, open the dial pad, press the hash key 1 2 3 4 hash key. Now we can see our hidden applications. If you wanna unhide them, just by the same way, you should go to the settings, tap to privacy, switch permission to privacy, click to hide apps, enter your privacy password, and just to unhide them by this way. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.